Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central allows you to run multiple companies on the same tenant. As such, as your business grows and you acquire or open more companies, you can manage all of them in a single Business Central environment. Let's take a look at how easy it is to set up a new company.
We are currently logged into the Business Manager Role Center for a company called Zebra View Lodge. Zebra View Lodge had just acquired the neighboring farm and now need to bring that farm in as a new company. By selecting the My Settings tab, you can see the company that we are currently logged into, and by hitting the Assist Edit icon, I can view all the current companies. Currently, we have Zebra View Lodge as well as Orange View Lodge. We simply select New and will be guided through the new company setup. We have options to create a company with sample data should you want to do some testing, but we are going to create a new company with no data. When we click on Next, we have the option to set up the users for this company. For now, we are going to skip this as this can be done after the company setup is complete. We hit Finish and give it a minute to initiate the setup. Once completed, the new company will appear on the Allowed Companies list. And as you can see, Mountain View Lodge is now available. When I select this new entity, Dynamics 365 Business Central will refresh and log you into the newly created entity. From here, we have two options for setup: assisted or manual. When you select Assisted Setup, it allows you to set up your company using predefined setup screens, making it really easy to complete processes such as migrating business data, setting up forecasts, email, or simply setting up your VAT. As an example, when selecting Migrate Business Data, you can see how easy it is to manage your data migration process. Another example would be cash flow forecasting. Again, an easy-to-navigate step-by-step guide would appear. For more advanced users, you can opt for a manual setup. As you can see, we have many more items now visible when compared to the assisted setup processes. When selecting, let's say, Fixed Asset Setup, you will see that this is a manual process, allowing for more depth and detail.
If you want to get going on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, reach out to us on email or via our website or on social media. Dynamics Africa has the largest channel of experienced Dynamics partners on the African continent. With decades worth of experience in a variety of industries, our partners has what it takes to get you up and running in no time.